Hello everybody! Today we are going to do a review of the Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener from Ryosva Smart Things. This equipment allows us to open our garage wirelessly, either by voice command or from an application. So it allows us to open as well as to close our garage door. The equipment includes the Ryosva SmartThings Wi-Fi equipment, its USB cable, an angle to connect the sensor that will tell us if the door is open or closed. The sensor is this very cable which, joined to this other part, will tell us if our garage is open or closed. Some fasteners. The cable that connects the Ryosva SmartThings Wi-Fi equipment to our garage engine. Of course, its installation manual, some bolts and screws that are used during the installation, and finally some stickers to stick and fit the cable well in its position. And this is what this equipment brings included for us. Now let's see how to configure and install all these parts. In order to get this equipment ready to open and close our garage door, the first thing we have to do is to connect the Ryosva Wi-Fi garage door opener to our Wi-Fi network through the application. The application will be found in the Appware store. It is called Tuya Smart, so we go ahead and download it. Note that the download process is very fast. Once downloaded the application, we have two options: register a new account or open with an existing account. Once you finish the process of registering a new account, or if you decided to open the application with an existing account, we'll immediately be inside the application. Good. Now click on the plus symbol to add a new device. Okay, once we are within the different options this application shows us, we see the great variety of devices it supports. Well, now we go down and look for the icon Door Windows, which is a green icon of a door. So we click on that icon and we are sent this second option, which indicates that in order to pair an equipment, in this case the Wi-Fi door opener, it must firstly be in pairing mode. Now, in order to do that, we put or connect the power cable, we wait for it to turn on, then we are asked to be in pairing mode. For that, we have to press the reset button for about 5 seconds. At the top, you can see two holes, a small one which is for LED lights, and a larger one that is the reset button. We keep the reset button pressed for about 5 seconds, until the blue light begins to blink an average of 2 times per second. We press it like this. Now we release it, and there you got it. The blue light is already blinking. Now it is ready to pair with the Wi-Fi network. Next, we press the orange icon that says confirm when the indicator is blinking quickly. To proceed, it will require the Wi-Fi key, and it gives us just a second. Once the password is entered, we click the OK button, and then it begins to make the connection. The equipment is connecting. It is looking for the equipment Wi-Fi Ryosva door opener, and as soon as it finds it, it gets linked and connected to a full 100%. At this point, it allows us to change the name. By default, it is shown in Chinese, so we reset it and then rename it by typing garage, and then hit save, Good. Now we will tell it that the action is complete. This is the view. Now we are able to open and close our garage. Note that, in this case, as it is not yet connected to the door, we will only hear quite a simple click that indicates when it is opening or closing. The next thing we'll do is the correct connection of the equipment, and then we'll see how to add it to the Alexa network. In order to configure our equipment Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener, to configure it with Amazon Alexa so that it can open and close with voice commands, we must do the following. We go to Amazon Alexa, we look for the option that says Skill and Games, we look for the application Tuya Smart, which is the orange icon with a T inside, and go ahead and enable it. Now we are asked for a username and password. At this point, everyone should have already a user account. I am typing mine. There goes my corresponding password. Now let's go and link this. Well, here I got the M mistaken. Let's correct it. And now we enable the application Tuya Smart and we hit Link Now. We granted the permissions we are asked to continue, and that's all. It's already properly connected. We click on Done, and now we choose the option Find Equipment or Discover Devices. And automatically Amazon Alexa will link all the devices that are in connection with the application Tuya, like Garage Door Opener in our case. Light sensors also. All infinite devices that are currently connecting to Alexa. And 8 devices it finally found. That's because, in this case, I have 8 devices connected, which are, for example, for opening my windows, my blinds, my curtains. So we go and hit Done. Now we can see all the devices here, but what is in our interest is the garage door, which is right here. Once the Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener has been configured in our network, we proceed to make the installation simply by following the scheme given in the manual as follows. The Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener connects the USB cable to a 5-volt adapter. The 5-volt adapter is not included, but we can use it from any old cell phone we have. There is a lot of that at home, you just need to take a look. Then we put it in position as shown in the image. We connect the USB power cable, then, as shown in the image, we can see here that we have 2 options to install the cables. The first one is the cable that is going to be connected to the engine, and the second shows us the second connector where we will install the sensor that will tell us whether the door is open or closed. This will be done in the following way. This piece of cable, thanks to its shape, will be connected in a very precise way. This cable is going to be connected to the engine. In just a moment I'll show you at which part of it. And this other cable is the sensor that will show us if the door is open or closed in this way. That's the right way. Got it? Good. Here in the diagram we see USB cable, garage Wi-Fi door opener, the cable that is going to be connected to the engine, and the cable that is going to be connected to the sensor. These two cables will be connected, as shown in the diagram, to the engine, to the two connectors that are plugged to the switch that opens and closes the garage, which is normally connected either inside the garage or to one side, or to a door near the garage. In this garage switch, only two cables will be placed. It is in those two entrances where we are going to plug those two cables, white and black. There is no polarity in them, so no problem whether you put the black up and the white down or invert it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to show you how the installation will look when finished in my garage door. This is our engine. In these two cables, the white connector and the black one, we have the two cables of the wall switch to open and close. Let's do the compatibility test. We'll put a clip, which we have previously folded in U-shape, and we will insert it into the black and white connector, which is different in every engine, so it will not necessarily be the same. When inserting this clip, we will verify if our engine is compatible or not. Whether the door opens or closes, that move tells us that it is compatible. Okay, so the clip has already been inserted and the garage door is closing now. Then we know that our engine is compatible with the Switch Wi-Fi Smart Ryosva door opener. Now I'm going to show you how the connection was made. Here we have our Ryosva Wi-Fi Smart Garage door opener. We have the two cables already connected, the first to be connected to the engine, which are these two cables. We have connected them in the same places where the wall switch is connected. In this case we have put it red, black, and we have done it only by following the pattern that it already has. But in these two connectors there is no polarity. The other cable that comes out of here is this cable that goes to the wall sensor. The wall sensor has been connected in this way. The one that is without any cables has been put the angle in the door, and the one that comes wired goes for the wall. In this way we know when the door is closed and when it is open. Then the cable goes through the cable connectors straight. That's how we keep our garage door opener fed, by means of its USB cable. We have taken it towards the wall connector. For that, we have used an old connector of 5 volts that we had left there of an old smartphone at home. And that way, the garage door opener is connected and fed and ready to work. So we have now the Ryosva Wi-Fi garage door opener properly installed. Just look at how good it looks. Its USB cable is very well connected to a 5 volts power supply. its sensor cable connected to the door, and everything is ready to work. Now let's try it out, so let's open and close with Amazon Alexa. Alexa, turn on garage.
Okay.
And yes, the garage door opens. Alexa, turn off garage.
Okay.
And voila, it is closed. As you can see, the installation process of the Ryosva Wi-Fi garage door opener is very simple. It can take between 20 to 30 minutes, and anyone at home can do it as there is no science at all in it. Thank you.